Many of you enjoy the fair, but you might not know how many events are run by kids. Today we're finding out who 4-H is and what they do.
4-H offers everyone in grades K through 13 the chance to explore countless opportunities in science, arts, foods, and more.
I've been in 4-H for 12 years.
I've been in 4-H since first grade, so 11 years now.
Total of 10 years.
I've been in 4-H for I think 5 years. We are running the dunking stool, the mini golf course, dog shows.
I like working in community service because there's a lot of opportunities for you to help others and also show leadership skills.
So what I love about working in 4-H, watching the kids grow and watching them figure out who they are as a person, who they want to be as a person.
4-H is a family, and everybody helps you with anything you need, and everybody's there for each other.
The fair is only one event 4-H is at. Catch them throughout the county all year.